Here is Test Them All app, test and get paid, gift cards, coupons, and more. So pretty cool app to earn money as a tester. Yeah, you become an online tester and earn exciting rewards. Do you have a passion for trying out new products? Look no further. Test Them All is here to transform your testing experience into a rewarding adventure. Install Test Them All app, perform test tasks, take surveys, provide detailed feedback, get cool rewards for your efforts. So here are some rewards you can get. Discounts from top brands. Enjoy exclusive discounts across various industries, including technology, fashion, food, and more. Gift cards. So you can earn gift cards to your favorite retailers and online stores, allowing you to shop for the products you love. Payouts. Even you can have a payout here. So accumulate points for every game tested and every review submitted. Convert these points into real cash payouts directly to your PayPal account. So yeah, join the Test Them All community today and embark on a journey of exploration, testing, and rewards. Be at the forefront of digital world, shaping the future of mobile while enjoying exclusive discounts, gift cards, and payouts. Um, your passion and feedback are valuable, and Test Them All is here to make sure you're recognized for it. So here is the app, and then you can just go in here. I already created an account, and here you can just discover. So there are a bunch of apps here, uh, and then just as an example, you can tap continue, and then you can see tasks. So task is like you need to finish the level 3 of the game. Um, Finish level 7 and then you will get almost 8,000 points, and then level 11, so additional points, and then reward conditions. So a user will only be rewarded if the task was started using the start button. Only new users are eligible for reward. Your reward may be delayed up to 24 hours. So here it is, and then you just very important, yep, tap start testing button, and then you're redirected to this app. You need to download it, create new account, and then finish at least like 3 levels for a minimum award. So that's that. So you have it here. Then you have my tasks. Then you have your payouts. You have special offers or more payouts here, which is PayPal or like Zalando, whatever, some gift card options depending on your location. Coinbase, HBO Max, Udemy, Vans, so different gift cards. Then also you can see your balance. By the way, there is a welcome bonus of 4,500 coins. Then you can, yeah, so just do that. I don't know if you can withdraw it, and so here you can also tap invite friends and then just do it like this. Uh, uh, there is no your unique referral link, but you can just get started. So yep, that's the idea. I don't know if you can withdraw money to real cash. That's the question actually. So can you do that, or so what they're writing here? You can accumulate points for every game tested and every review submitted. Convert these points into real cash payouts. Okay, obviously there is a PayPal, so yeah. Yeah, sorry. So here is like Walmart, for example. You can just go and evaluate products availability, and then just so basically you can also not just play games, but also lay out like you visited Walmart, and then you can just add your customer like experience suggestion. Evaluate customer service, product, evaluate store appearance. So that's how you improve Walmart customer experience. I don't know, just yeah, like which store you can add here, because there is no like address of what, like just as an example. Of course, I'm not suggesting you to spam here. This is just like as an example what will happen. and then probably if your review is good, and then probably you will receive, you will be estimated, and then you will receive some additional coins. So I don't know. Uh, so you can't just add some weird reviews. You need to add them high quality probably. So yep, there you have it. So you have games, stores, and then surveys. You can you will be redirected to a party provider. We can offer more rewards for same time spent testing. So basically, this is not a good idea for this app. You can only earn like 8 coins, which is nothing in this app. So basically, the idea is that like solitaire, board, kings, dice games, you just play games, earn coins, and then you can withdraw to PayPal. Ideally, I don't know how much coins you need, but this app is climbing high in the charts. It's very easy to use. Seems it's a legit app. You can earn some real money here. Don't expect like thousands of dollars, but something like 30, 20, 30, $10, like maybe even 50 you can earn here. And if you're commuting on a subway, or just have some 30 minutes in a commute, or somewhere you're lying on the sun, you can just do this, and then you earning coins. So that's the idea. So try it out.